Okay, so here I am so far. I kind of split it into the two equations, and I got x equals 2.5 and y equals -5. And once I do that, those are my intercepts. So on the x-axis, 1, 2, 3, go to 2.5. And on the y-axis, go to -5 and draw a line. Remember, these lines represent a whole bunch of points, so if you take any point from that line and put the x-coordinate of that point in there for x, and the y-coordinate of that point in there for y, you'll get something that is true. It will equal 10 if you do that. That's kind of cool. There's another version of this. It's actually simpler to do, but it's just something we should talk about. So another example, graph. I wrote that too fast. Graph y equals -2. So along the same lines of what we just did, go to the y-axis and put a point at -2. So that's what I did. I drew a little quick thing on my y-axis, went to -2, but there's no x-intercept. So this is parallel to the x-axis. So I'll just go out like that. So y equals -2, go to the y-axis, put a point, but then draw a line that's parallel to the x-axis. Okay, and what this means is that all these points have a y-coordinate of -2. Where do you see y-coordinates of -2? All along this line here. Never hits the x, has to be parallel. Let's go ahead and try one of these real quick. X equals -5.